today I want to teach you guys how to use a bundled photo to create in one PDF and send to others without any additional apps. Let's get started. First, you have a couple ways to do that. Just tap and drag, which means you need to select the photo accordingly you want and use your hand. See the dots, File Apps, then put it here. Then you will see the photo is already in here. Or additional way you don't like to drag, you can just press select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see that this button here, share, and then you can click save to file, and then press save, same as this dot, which means you are copied to the file apps. Okay, assume you have already here, but all that you need what to do is just press more, create PDF. Okay, this is what you got here, but what if you need the photo selected in order? Assume that this photo should be one, but actually you cannot get in order one. So maybe you need to rearrange. Very simple. What you want is tap. If you assume this photo is one, then you have to rename it. One. Then you see that is go to up. Number 2. Okay. Now you get 1, 2, and you just do the rest. You can just click this line here, and then you will show in the icon. Your photo will have this show in this grip details 3 by 5. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have done yet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's easy. Press select. We have all of this. Create PDF. Okay, this is the result you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this true? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number 6 is iPad. Yes, this is what you get. So we got the PDF here. You think you need some edit necessary? You need to drag like this. Maybe you need some pinpoint here. Maybe you need to make some sketch here. Okay. Then you need to use your both hands to drag or use the navigate. Else you move, you will give draw because you are on edit mode. You also can do something. This is the color recognizable. So drag, press. Okay, you get what you want. And then you can insert some words. Edit. This is maybe you say that is YouTube. Okay. So if you want the color is match, what should you do? Press here. This one. Okay. So you see that your word is actually follow the red color you want. So once you finish, you done. Then you have a preview again. This is what you are. Okay. So you can just hit share. You may airdrop, email. Yeah, you see the file. Okay, you just can store. Then you can erase all the photo you want. In old way, we like to send our photo by using a WeChat, but the method maybe is a traditional way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 selected. There's no problem. Or WhatsApp. Luckily, someone can follow back. Sometimes they can interrupt by chat or something else, so they need to scroll around very hard to follow. So what if we have something better? Remember, we just edited to the PDF. You just press this one and you can see the file here, and we select iCloud. As you can see, we already have what we want. This is what we just created in PDF, and then boom, information, just press select and what they want. I think this will be better than we just sending by one. This means our friend can follow the things, just scroll the PDF.